Alright, for today's project I got a little 2.4 gigahertz wireless remote. Actually I got a couple of them. I bought them for Christmas a few years ago for everybody. And this one's actually one that the RF deck is bad in, but this switch on the one that we use on a daily basis is bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the switch off of the one that has got a good switch on it. Just turn the other way so I can grab it with the tweezers. And I'm just gonna use a hot air iron here. I'm gonna heat all these little pads up, pick the switch up off of this board, and just lay it on the other one. Alright, good switch removed. This is the board with the bad switch. Sure we're getting the focus of the scope there. Alright, you can see it discolored paper a little bit. I had a contrast issue with the camera pointing right there. It was hitting the IRDA warm-up plate. So, but that's basic hot air solder work.